Citizen Developer has one settings builder. To open up the settings, you need to edit a field. I'm going to click on the appearance overlay. In this case, I'm going to take a closer look at the View Users link. The settings builder has two primary sections. This first one is the settings list. This summarizes what's going on with your field right now in this location. Because we turned on the appearance overlay, we can see the appearance settings. If we were to toggle on a different overlay, we'll get to see the data and logic and discussion settings. This way you can jump to where you need to be at any time. With the appearance settings, we have a settings list. At the top of this list, we have settings that are specific to this field type. These are essentially the base settings. If you access this field on a different page, these settings will persist. Down below, we see parent settings. These are the settings that affect how this field appears and functions within this parent. For example, our View User link is currently within the Search Users list. If this list were to be used on a different page, these settings would also persist. Let's click into one of the settings. This is the full settings builder. On the left, we have our settings list, and on the right, we have our full settings configuration. You can click through the settings list to see all your configuration options. For example, column is filterable. Currently, the settings preview is blank. If a developer changes that setting, we now see a settings preview. This lets us know which settings have been changed or customized specifically. Whereas if the setting were blank, it either had never been manually changed by a developer or is simply defaulted or does not apply here. You can glance through to see how unique this specific field really is. Let's change another setting. Link text. In this case, the settings configuration is going to jump us over to a different tool where we can set the link text. Currently, this link is showing the username that matches the current record. If we choose a different value, user full name, save and close, we can see here that the link text now says John Smith rather than pulling the username value. If we jump back in, almost every setting will have the option to add an override. Setting overrides let you choose a different setting in just this location. For example, when this View User link is attached to this Search Users list, maybe when on mobile, we want to set a different value and say View User. So the setting builders let you build a base and special conditions. We're going to hit save. Close our window and change our screen size to mobile. And now we can see the link text simply says View User when on mobile and inside the Search Users list.